Another historic milestone is PM Modi redefining India's global standing. Addition to the head of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, yet another recognition comes with the Kuwait's highest honor, the Order of Mubarak Al-Kabir, confirmed during his state visit to the Gulf nation. The honor awarded by Amir of Kuwait Sheikh Meshal Al-Ahmad Al-Zabair Al-Sabah signifies a strengthening bilateral ties between India and Kuwait and indeed the record efforts of PM Modi in his global diplomacy. What is the Order of Mubarak Al-Kabir? The Order of Mubarak Al-Kabir, knighthood from Kuwait, is reserved for heads of state sovereigns with foreign citizenship and royal dignitaries. It symbolizes deep friendship and mutual respect. It is granted to persons such as Bill Clinton, Prince Charles, and George Bush. However, while conferring the award, PM Modi expressed his gratitude in these words: "I dedicate this honor to the people of India and the strong friendship between India and Kuwait, a legacy of global recognition." This award marks the 20th International Award for PM Modi from different countries, which is indeed a unique endeavor of PM's effort in establishing bilateral relations across the globe. Order of Excellence, to be awarded by Guyana, November 2024, where it is the highest national honors in South America. Dominica Award of Honor, confirmed by President Sylvia Boutin of Dominica, to be dedicated by PM Modi in favor of the 140 crore citizens of India. Every one of these awards gives a new perspective about India's increasing presence in the international arena, where PM Modi is a dynamic ambassador of Indian values, diplomacy and leadership. The Grand Welcome in Kuwait. PM Modi was given an imperial and dignified reception on his visit to Kuwait. The Grand Welcome in Kuwait. PM Modi's visit to Kuwait was marked by grandeur and respect. Upon his arrival at the Bayan Palace, he was accorded a ceremonial guard of honor with the Amir Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Kuwait present. The ceremonial gestures paired with extensive diplomatic discussions showcased the significance of the Indo-Kuwaiti partnership. The Ministry of External Affairs shared the occasion with pride. A special welcome on a historic visit. PM Narendra Modi ji arrives at the Bayan Palace in Kuwait to a ceremonial welcome and guard of honor. Though these recognitions relate to individual achievements, they really reflect the strength, resilience, and contributions put in by the Indian people collectively. And the lofty achievements of PM Modi set up quite an interrogative puzzle. And these international honors signs that India is moving towards leadership on the world stage. Every new award is accompanied by the speaking of respect to PM Modi as far as India is concerned, an important country in defining the contours of global issues from economic cooperation to cultural interchange and geopolitical stability. As India rises, this is just a moment of pride for the nation, but a reminder of the potential future in international partnership that Kuwait has opened.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth.